Welcome to this video tour about the Naugle Communications Center. I'm Jeff,
And I'm Kendra.
and today we're going to tell you a little bit about our services and how you can make an appointment. On campus, people refer to us by two different names. Some people call us the Communications Center, while others call us the Naugle CommLab. Most students just say CommLab. The Communications Center is a cluster of rooms in and around Colk 447, where people can come and work on different aspects of their communication projects with trained peer and professional consultants. Fun fact, the Naugle Comm Lab is named after Helen H. Naugle, a former Georgia Tech professor and pioneer in the field of rhetoric, composition, and writing center studies, who was one of the first two female faculty members at Georgia Tech. At the Communications Center, students from all disciplines at Georgia Tech work with tutors with expertise in core areas of communication. From tutors, students learn both conventional and innovative techniques of communication and diverse strategies for effectively conveying ideas. Students collaborate with tutors to improve upon defining, realizing, and relaying their own interests and needs as communicators. By talking with tutors about such aspects as the audience, format, medium, and style of their projects, students further develop their written, oral, visual, electronic, and nonverbal communication skills. In other words, we focus on all modes of communication, not just the written word. We do not fix projects. We provide guidance that can lead to more successful communication. Many of the people we help are thinking short term. They just want to improve their project, turn it in, and receive the best grade possible. We want to help with that. But our objectives are also more long term than that. We also want student clients to develop strategies and knowledge that they can rely on with later projects, both in other classes and for the rest of their lives. Our interactions are more like conversations, with students being engaged collaborators and agents in their own process. The center is more than a space in a building. It consists of relationships among people, both CommLab staff and student clients, who collaborate on communication strategies and projects. We are a diverse group of individuals in CommLab. We believe that diversity in any organization can only be a strength. That diversity is also a great benefit, as our consultants bring a lot of different perspectives and backgrounds to bear on their work in our center. We have an admin team, Dr. Kendra Slayton, me, and Dr. Karen Head, who is our executive director. Center assistants to help you with questions and making appointments. Peer consultants from many disciplines who have shown exceptional ability in their communication courses. Professional consultants who are also postdocs teaching composition in the writing and communication program. And an English language learning specialist, Dr. Robert Griffin, whom we are so fortunate to have on our staff. This is our physical space. Usually, you can make an appointment or drop in to talk to someone in person.
However, this semester, for the safety of our staff and students during the pandemic, many of our consultation services will be online, though students requiring an in-person consultation can email commlab@gottech.edu to schedule. You have two options for online consultations: synchronous and asynchronous. You may have heard these terms in relation to your classes, but here's what they mean for CommLab appointments specifically. In a synchronous appointment, you enter a live BlueJeans video conference with a CommLab consultant at the start of your appointment time. Your consultant will ask you some questions about your project, your goals, your areas of concern, and then work through the project with you and share some suggestions. In an asynchronous appointment, you provide a document before the beginning of your appointment time. Your consultant will then look at the document and provide written feedback within a few hours of your appointment. You can access this feedback by logging back onto TutorTrack where you initially made the appointment, which we'll show you how to do in a second. If you have any trouble accessing or viewing the feedback, please email us. Both appointment types are scheduled for 45 minutes. For both appointment types, you should provide your project and the assignment sheet, if applicable, when you make the appointment. Consultants can usually help you with about 4 to 5 pages of written material in any one appointment, depending on the complexity of the project and the kind of feedback you want. Always let your consultant know what you'd like them to focus on. To make an appointment, start by visiting our homepage, comlab.gottech.edu. You'll see a banner that reads, "We're open. Click here to learn about our online appointments." Follow the link, and you'll find more detailed instructions about how to make an appointment and what to expect. Once you've read these, select Click to make an appointment. From there, you'll log in with your GT account and password, and then you'll be taken to TutorTrack, our online appointment system. Then, on the left-hand side, click Search Availabilities. Then you'll see a drop-down menu that says Center. Depending on your preference, select CommLab Asynchronous or CommLab BlueJeans. In the next drop-down menu, select your class section or Other if it's not a class project. You can then select the range of dates in which you'd like to make an appointment. Once you click Search, the available appointment slots should then appear. Click the appointment time you want, and you'll find a brief form to fill out about your appointment request and a field in which to attach your project by clicking on Document Post. If you have an asynchronous appointment, this is also where you'll find your feedback later. So that's how you make an appointment. Because we know you are busy with many projects, you can make 2 appointments every 6 days. Appointments must be made at least 6 hours in advance, so it's a good idea to consider your project deadlines and plan ahead. Our hours are as follows: Monday and Wednesday, 9 a.m. to 8 p.m., Tuesday and Thursday, 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. and 12 p.m. to 8 p.m., and Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. If you have any questions or need help making an appointment, please send an email to comlab@gottech.edu. Thanks for watching, and we hope you'll make an appointment with a CommLab consultant soon.